Hey, it's Astonishing Finn here. And now, today I'm going to solve the first 5 problems in 2016 AMC8. Okay, let's start. The first problem is the longest professional tennis match ever played lasted a total of 11 hours and 5 minutes. How many minutes was this? And I think this problem is very easy for an 8th grader. And 11 hours means, and every hour have 60 minutes, and 11 times 60 is 660. And also there's 5 minutes, so add together the result is 665. So the answer is C. And in problem 2, in rectangle ABCD, AB equals 6 and AD equals 8. AM is the midpoint of AD, and what is the area of AMC? Okay, just wait a second. I'll draw the diagram. Okay, the diagram may not look so good, and okay, we just calculate the area. The area of AMC equals to AM times CD and divided by 2, which is like this, times CD over 2. And since AM is M is the midpoint of 80, so AM equals 4, and CD equals 6. And their product is 24 divided by 2, then the area is 12. And so the answer is A. And problem 3. 4 students take an exam. 3 of their scores are 70, 80, and 90. If they have average of their 4 scores is 70, then what is the remaining score? Since they have 4 scores and the average is 70, so there's the sum of the 4 scores will equals to 4 times 70 equals, which is equal to 280. And let's calculate the sum of the first 3 students score. So it's 70 plus 80 plus 90, which is 240. So the remaining students' score need to be 40. And okay, so the answer is A. And problem 4. When Sheeny was a boy, he could run 15 miles in 3 hours and 30 minutes. And as an old man, he could now walk 10 miles in 4 hours. How many minutes longer does it take him to travel a mile now compared to when he was a boy? Okay, so let's calculate the speed of Chinu's when he was a boy. So 3 hours and 30 minutes, which is 200 and it is 210 minutes, and it divided by 15, which is the number of miles, is his velocity, which is the time he spent on running a mile. So the answer is 14, which means that he can run 1 mile in 14 hours. And as an old man, he can now walk 10 miles in 4 hours. And 4 hours is 220 minutes. And divided by 10 equals 24. And so the question is, how many minutes longer does it take for him to travel a mile, not compared? So the answer is 24 minus 14, that equals to 10. Sorry. So the answer is B. And problem 5. The number n is a two-digit number. When n is divided by 9, the remainder is 1. When n is divided by 10, the remainder is 3. And what is the remainder when n is divided by 11? Since n is divided by 10 and the remainder is 3, it means that n is a two-digit number that ends in 3. Now let's list out all the number that a two-digits number that end in 3. It's 13, 23, 33, and all the way up to 93. And there's also a condition that when n is divided by 9, the remainder is 1. And we can check out the list, and we can find out that 73 is the only number that when it's divided by 9, the remainder is 1. So n equals 73, and when it is divided by 11, the result is 6, and the remainder is 7. So the answer is E. Okay, and that is the first 5 problems of 2016 AMC8. Thank you for watching.